Hey, I'm Dave Brusca, and today we are here to check out SmallHD's new Focus 7. The Focus 7 is a great upgrade for those who've used the 5-inch SmallHD FOCUS. This has a 1080 full HD display that is 1000 nits bright and has a full HDMI port. It has 4 1/4-20 mounting points, 2 Sony L series battery slots, an SD card slot for loading your own LUTs and configurations, and a 7.2 volt power out that is capable of powering select cameras with the appropriate adapter. So let me go over some of the features that the SmallHD FOCUS has. It has Looks, which allows you to apply a LUT to log footage to give you a better indication of what your footage will look like after color grading. It also has, for exposure purposes, waveform monitor, histogram, exposure assist, also known as false color, and zebras. For color accuracy, it has a vector scope. For focus accuracy, it has focus assist. And for audio accuracy, it's got audio meters. The Focus 7 uses Page Builder OS, which allows you to swipe between pages that you customize. On this page, I have given it the color picker, which allows you to see extra information about the specific point on the screen that you choose. Another nice feature about the Focus 7 is the ability to pinch to zoom to a spot, which will again help you with focusing and framing. So again, this is the SmallHD Focus 7. For more information, click the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Let me loosen up a bit.